Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove Meta AI suggestions from the composer on Messenger. And to simply do this, you can simply follow these simple and easy steps. So diving right into it, you can simply try like different methods to simply remove Meta AI solutions, like suggestions. Like you can simply open it, go to Meta, and simply mute your Meta AI. Once you have muted or like disabled the notification, your suggested prompts from Meta AI won't appear. So you can also delete the Meta AI chat thread, remove the conversation from your list, as this will help reduce visibility of AI in your messenger box. You can also block the Meta AI profile. You can simply turn off like smart suggested replies, but you cannot completely delete Meta AI from your messenger. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.